Consider vector OA equal to vector A in xy plane. Here, vector OA makes an angle alpha with x-axis and beta with y-axis. I vector is a unit vector in the direction of x-axis and j vector is a unit vector in the direction of y-axis. By using the rules of vector addition, one can write vector OA equal to vector OB plus vector OC. Here, we split vector A into two parts, one along OX and the other along OY direction. Splitting up of a vector into two or more parts is called resolution of a vector. From the figure, one can easily find out the expression for vector OB and the expression for vector OC. By considering the right angle triangle OBA, OB becomes A cos alpha, and by considering the right angle triangle OCA, the magnitude of vector OC become A cos beta. Since I vector is the unit vector in the x direction, OB vector is equal to A cos alpha multiplied by I vector, and OC vector is equal to A cos beta multiplied by J vector. By using the expressions of OB vector and OC vector in the equation to represent vector A, we get vector A is equal to A cos alpha I vector plus A cos beta J vector. In 3 dimension, the vector will be resolved into 3 parts, that is along the x, y and z axis. If alpha, beta, gamma be the angles made by the vector A with the 3 axes x, y and z respectively, we get vector A equal to A cos alpha I vector plus A cos beta J vector plus A cos gamma K vector, where I vector, J vector and K vector are the unit vectors along x, y and z axis respectively. After resolving a vector, each part is called component of the vector. The magnitude A cos alpha is called the component of vector A along x-axis. A cos beta is called the component along y-axis. A cos gamma is called the component along z-axis. In general, the component of vector A along a direction making an angle theta with it is A cos theta. It is also known as projection of vector A along the given direction. So here this represents the given direction. So this is the given direction. So along this direction, the component of vector A is given by A cos theta, and this A cos theta is also known as projection of vector A. Projection of vector A along the given direction.